What you doing? Where's that smile you gave me earlier?
From my room, I thought that was Beyonce.
Whoa. Yeah?
Yeah.
Where's the smile? Oh, bless you. Oh my goodness, Eleanor, what happened? He sneezed. Oh, don't put your tongue in his mouth. That's icky. Oh, Charlie, are you going to kiss him too? All right, girls, that's it. Charlie, are you giving him big kisses? Yeah. Oh, she's going to wash her hand.
I can't deny how good that was.
All right, girls. All right.
I love that song. It was the perfect song choice.
Oh, yeah, you're going to wash Eleanor too, Charlie? That's good. Oh, not his mouth.
Okay, Jimmy. So there's some tongue in her.
Oh, she's going to wash me now, too. Thank you, Charlie. Oh, you guys get him all cleaned up? That's so nice. He says.